Hello, this is Anushka. Welcome to another tutorial from Tech Geeks. In today's tutorial we will discuss how to move Android apps to an SD card. Fortunately, a number of Android devices support micro SD card slots that allow you to expand your storage capacity by inserting an inexpensive memory card. First, not all Android devices allow you to install portions of an installed app to the micro SD card, but for those that do, it's just a quick trip to the application manager and a button press away. Most flagship phones have moved away from support for this feature, with the LG G4 and Samsung Galaxy S5 among the last to support it. It is more commonly found in mid-range to low-end hardware, but these are often devices that could use the extra storage. Unfortunately, even if your smartphone supports the feature, not all apps do. Large apps such as games leave most of their data on the internal storage. For example, Asphalt 8 puts just 64 megabytes of data on the micro SD card while leaving the remaining 1.4 gigabytes to fill up your phone or tablet. That said, you can save some space this way, particularly if you have a lot of apps installed and move as many as possible to a micro SD card. Here's how to move apps to the micro SD card using Android's built-in application management features. As a first step, navigate to Settings on your phone. You can find the Settings menu in the app drawer. Tap on Apps. Select an app you want to move to the micro SD card. Tap Storage. Tap Change if it's there. If you don't see the change option, the app cannot be moved. If you are unable to find any apps with this option, it is likely that your device does not support the feature. Tap on Move to move the selected app. Please note, if you wish to move an app back to the internal memory, hit the Change button again and select Internal Storage. Thanks for watching this tutorial. If you like our videos, then please subscribe to our channel.